Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare for online made examination for the semester 1 and specifically for the subject fundamentals of accounting or financial accounting. So mid exam is coming nearby, okay, and so many questions are there in your mind. Okay, how many types of questions are there? What types of questions are there? What are the timings? Okay, and where to read the content or the syllabus for the mid examinations. All the questions are there in your mind. I'm here to help you. So first we start with the basic parts of online mid examination, and then we go for the discussion about the subject syllabus for the mid examination. So first of all, the question that is in your mind is how many questions are there in your mid examinations? So for all the subjects, you have 30 questions in your mid examinations. Now our subject is a practical in nature. So second questions comes in your mind, that is all the questions are practical or all the questions are theoretical, or the combined questions are there. Few questions are practical and few questions are theoretical questions. So the answer is in your mid examinations you have only theoretical questions. There is no practical questions for mid examinations. Now come to the next part. Okay, the timings for the examination. Exam time. So for all the papers, your exam time is for 40 minutes. Okay, and you get 1 minute for one question. Okay, and 10 minutes is for your login purpose and reading of instructions. Now go for the next. Now the next is very important for of you because it is for first time to go for the online mid examinations. So I am trying to display how your question is displayed in your screen, in your mobile screen or tablet screen or in your laptop screen. So questions is display like this. Okay, you have 60 seconds to answer the question, and the question is here. Okay, question 1 2 3 4 5 up to the 30, and you have four options A, B, C, D, and you have to select the right options and go for the next question. For that you have to click on next. Okay, but remember one important aspect here. Okay, there is no options to go back. It means you have go to the next question. It means your one question is gone, whether your option is right or wrong. Okay, there is no option for a go back, and there is no question for the correction of options. Okay, so you have a 60 seconds, and in the 60 seconds you have to read the question and you have to select the options. And one more thing, if you have not completed the question within a 60 second, it means after the 60 seconds the questions automatically move to the next question. So please be careful about this. Now come to the next part, and syllabus for mid examinations. Okay, so generally we cover 2.5 module. It means around 50% syllabus for the mid examinations. For our subject, it means for fundamentals of accounting, we have covered basics of accounting, module 1, module 2, process of accounting, and the half module, and that is unit 3, process of final accounts. Okay, go for the detail. For the from the unit number 1, you have introduction to bookkeeping and accounting, you have branches of accounting, basis of accounting, characteristics of accounting information. Okay, these are the content you have to read for your mid examinations. Now the question may comes in your mind that how the question is asked from this content, okay, from this syllabus. So the questions asked like, okay, which of the following represent the characteristics of accounting informations? You have four options A, B, C, D, and you have four different statements. You have to select the one particular statement that represents the characteristics of accounting information. Similarly, the question is asked like how many branches are there in accounting. You have option like 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to select the one option. And question may ask like, okay, accounting represent the technique of dot dot dot, and you have to select the right options. And similarly, the question is asked like this: which of the following is a branch of accounting, or which of the following is not a branch of accounting, or which of the following is not characteristics of accounting information. Go for the next is uses of accounting information, basics, accounting terms, classification of accounts and its rule, and the accounting equation. So question from this part like ask like which of the following is correct accounting information, accounting equation. Okay, how many classification of account is there? Okay, what is the rule for the real account? What is the rule for the nominal account? Okay, what do you mean by debtors? Okay, or how many users of accounting information is there? Which of the following is external users? Which of the following is internal user, or which of the following is not the user of accounting information? The question is asked like this. It is about accounting principles, concepts, conventions, assumptions, and Indian accounting standards. So question may ask like that: how many Indian accounting standards are there? Okay, the how many accounting assumptions are there? How many accounting concepts are there? How many principles are there? Okay, the going concern concept is applicable to this. Okay, or the accounting Indian standard is applicable to this. So this type of practical question, theoretical questions are there. Now come to the next, and that is from the second unit. The above two slides represent the content for the unit 1. And now the third one is about accounting process, in which journal entry is there, journalizing, ledger posting, preparation of ledgers, and preparation of trial balance. So from this part, the question may ask like, okay, what do you mean by journal entries or journal? What do you mean by ledger? The trial balance represent dot dot dot. Okay, on a debit side or a debit balance. On the debit side we have this. Okay, you have a list, or else the examiner may ask the journal entry. Okay, for example, write down the journal entry for the purchase of stationery. Stationery account debit to dot dot dot. You have to complete the journal entry by selecting the right options. Or the question may ask like, okay, which account is debited for the purchase of stationery, or which account is credited for the purchase of stationery. So question is asked like this. Or from the trial balance, the question is asked like, okay, the debtors have which type of balance? Credit balance, debit balance, both of, or none of. Part is the last part, in which the unit 3 we have covered final accounts. Okay, like types of expenditure, incomes, classification of assets and liabilities, and preparation of financial statements. Okay, how many accounts are there in financial statements? Which statements we have to prepare as a part of final account? What types of assets are there? Okay, what do you mean by current assets? Okay, or if the liability, we have to pay the liability within a 1 year, it means which type of liabilities we have, long term, short term, or what do you mean by revenue expenditure? Or revenue generated from the business is known as dot dot dot. Expenses for the smooth operation of business is known as dot dot dot. So you have a questions like this. Okay, so this is all about from my side. Okay, if I hope this video is help to you for the good preparation for your mid examinations. If you need any type of help, please contact me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.